Hello, welcome to G-Lite Concept. Today I'll be teaching you how to save a CorelDRAW file as a lower version in CorelDRAW. So to do that, let's come to File and Save As. So there you go. Let's name this file Lazy. There you go. Now come this my CorelDRAW version 25.1 2024. So now when you click on this drop down arrow, you can see a list of different versions of CorelDRAW. This 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, and so on. So maybe you want to take this file somewhere and the person is using a lower version of CorelDRAW, or you want to take it to a printing press and they're using a lower version of CorelDRAW compared to you. So let's say you want to use 2017. So you just click on 2017 right there. And now you see the version is 2017. So you save. The document uses alignment setting that is not supported in earlier versions of the application. The align page is get grade. Check on layer document options grade usually when you open your file. So now you say okay. Because when you are stepping down the corridor versions, there are some features in the modernized version that won't appear in the lesser version, but your design is not going to change and you're still going to be able to work on your design and correct any other thing you feel like correcting. So we hit on OK, and here you go. So your file is now going to save. You can see it saving right under here. So let's now okay. So now I have Lizzy CDR. So this is how you save a document with a lower version of